Welcome to ProQuote 4.0. Copart's ProQuote tool has been optimized with a new algorithm that makes it even easier for you to determine whether to repair a vehicle or deem it a total loss by providing quick and accurate salvage values. To get started, log into your Seller Access account. The ProQuote tool can be found on the right side of the navigation bar under the My Copart tab. The ProQuote homepage shows the three main functions within the ProQuote tool. ProQuote provides more accurate sale values than ever through a new and improved algorithm. Historical sales allows you to look up average values based on recent sales data of similar vehicles. My Searches saves you time by viewing your previously saved ProQuote and historical sales results. To generate a ProQuote, you can get started easily on the ProQuote homepage. Just begin filling out the information box under Get Started. Once you have selected your seller code, you can opt to have ProQuote remember it for future use. Next, you can choose the vehicle type. You are given the option to record a claim number. This will help you keep your ProQuote and claim connected. Next, you can enter the vehicle's VIN number to have the vehicle information decoded, or you can enter the information manually on the next page. Once you have completed all of the required fields, click Go to continue. All of the information entered on the homepage will carry over to the next section. If you did not enter the vehicle's VIN number, you are able to do so now, or you can continue entering the information manually. At the bottom, you will notice the optional fields section. This information is not required, but it will help you obtain a more precise ProQuote. Then, click Generate ProQuote to view your results. If there are not enough matching vehicles to calculate a ProQuote, you will receive a notification that directs you to the historical sales page. On the ProQuote results page, you will see two sections. On the left, you will see the vehicle information, and on the right, you will see your ProQuote results. Every ProQuote is given a unique quote ID. This number allows you to save your results and easily look them up anytime in My Searches. You can also print or share your ProQuote results with your coworkers and even your customers. The hide options allow you to customize what information is displayed when you share your ProQuote results. Edit ProQuote enables you to go back and update the vehicle information. If the ProQuote is edited, a new ProQuote ID will be generated. From the results page, you can also navigate back to the ProQuote homepage, or you can see similar vehicles in the historical sales page. If you choose to go to historical sales, your ProQuote information will transfer automatically. Now let's take a look at the historical sales function. To begin a new search, click Get Started in the historical sales section on the ProQuote homepage. Begin your search by selecting your seller code and filling out the required information fields, or you can decode the vehicle's VIN number. Historical sales values are available for automobiles as well as specialty vehicles, such as ATVs, boats, industrial equipment, and more. By extending the date range, you can expand your search or you can limit the range to narrow it. You must select a date range before the make and model fields will populate. Once you have selected the vehicle's make, options will appear in the model field. At the top of the model drop-down menu, you can choose to select all associated models by clicking Check All, or you can click Uncheck All to select one or multiple models. You also have the option to search in the model drop-down menu to quickly find the model you are looking for. Similar to ProQuote, there is an optional fields section at the bottom. This information is not required to conduct a search, but it will help you obtain more precise results. As you fill out the information fields, you can use the indicators on the right side of the page to help you conduct a more accurate search. The indicators will display the number of results that will be returned based on your search criteria. If your search is too narrow, the indicator will show that there are not enough similar vehicles. You may need to expand your search criteria. If your search is too broad, the indicator will ask you to continue to reduce the number of similar vehicles by refining your search criteria. Once you have completed the search criteria, select Search Historical Sales to view your results. On the historical sales results page, you will see the vehicle information box at the top, the results displayed below, and the filter box to the left side of the page. By clicking Save Quote In the information box at the top, you can generate the quote ID. You must click Save Quote for the results to show up in My Searches. In this section, you will also find the repair estimate amount and the ProQuote amount. The ProQuote amount will only show if the information was imported from ProQuote or if you decoded the VIN and a ProQuote was available. On the right side of this section, you will see the average value results. In the results section, you can customize your results by checking the boxes next to the images. You can multi-select to save or exclude them from your results. You can also sort the results by zip code to find comparable vehicles nearby. You can use the filter options to the left to narrow down your search results. Now let's take a look at My Searches. You can save time finding your previous ProQuote and historical sales results by viewing them in the My Searches feature. You can access My Searches on the ProQuote homepage. Once you are on the My Searches page, start by selecting your seller code. You can select multiple if applicable. Select a result to view the details. My Searches results will not only show the amount, but all of the attributes that help generate that amount. It will also specify if that particular result was a ProQuote or average value.